Good morning. I'm here to take you through the key global cues today. In fact, it's been a positive start for the Asian markets. The Asian stocks have climbed early morning after technology companies led a Wall Street rebound on economic optimism and easing concerns about the possibility of reduced US fiscal stimulus. Stocks in Australia were up 0.4%. Japan's Nikkei was up 0.9%, while Kospi was up close to around 0.8% in trade. In fact, if you look at the US indices, well, Wall Street's main indices did rise after a 3-day slide, helped by gains in technology stocks, as the smallest weekly jobless claims since the start of the pandemic-driven recession bolstered the overall risk appetite. First-time applications for US unemployment benefits fell to a pandemic low, while initial jobless claims fell 34,000 in the week ended May 15. A drop in US initial jobless claims put the focus back on the economic recovery and away from fears that price pressures imperil loose financial conditions. Treasury yields maintained a retreat. Weaker than expected demand for an auction of 10-year inflation-protected debt suggested confidence in the Federal Reserve's narrative that the recent acceleration in inflation is unlikely to be sustained. The yield on the 10-year Treasury did decline 4 bips to 1.63% as the overall dollar did weaken. Dow was up close to around 0.5% in trade to 34,084, while the S&P was up close to around 1.06%. Nasdaq, in fact, was up nearly around 1.7% in trade. If you look at the European stocks, well, the European stocks did rise as strong earnings and merger talks in the chip sector helped investors look past inflation worries. The Pan-European Stocks Index did rise 1.3% after suffering a 1.5% loss in the previous session. Tech stocks gained 2.4% to lead the overall sectoral gains. German producer prices posted the biggest increase in nearly a decade, in a further sign that supply bottlenecks are leading to increased inflation pressure in Europe's largest economy. DAX was up 1.7% in trade, while CAC was up 1.3% in trade. FTSE was up close to around 1% in trade. Oil prices, well, the WTI crude did fall 2.1% to $62 a barrel, while extended declines to a 3-week low after Iran's president said the broad outline of a deal to end sanctions on its oil has been reached. Gold futures did fall 0.2% to $1,877 an ounce. Thank you for watching.